Hello folks, how are we doing? Welcome to another video. It's me again, Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and although this video is coming out a few weeks into the new year, it's my first video live since then, so to speak, so happy new year to everyone. Hope we are doing well, hope Christmas went smoothly. Talking of Christmas, we're going to talk about what I did during the festive break. So in today's ride, I'm out on the mountain bike because of the ice and frosty conditions. It's going to be pretty much a mountain bike weekend, I think. Going to venture a little bit further away from home tomorrow. Today, obviously, finished at 3 o'clock. It's about 20 minutes getting my bike ready. Before you know it, the sun's nearly on the horizon. So, yeah, just something to spin the legs, really. For those of you who are regular on the channel, yes, I will be putting the camera in front of my face in just a moment, but the hands are very cold. And I'm also testing out this new camera mount. You might have known yourself, again, if you're a regular viewer. If not, what do you think is it? Is it nice and stable? I'm also testing out a new microphone system as well, so I don't have to shout so much. At least that's the hope anyway. Hopefully I'm not going to get home and go, oh, where's the sound? So right now I'm in my hometown of Cleethorpes. I often come home to my hometown in January and February, because normally the rest of the year static caravan. So I've come home with my mum and dad. So different rides, different routes, closer to hills, closer to everything, I guess. I'll be on the mountain bike this weekend. Also, it's because I haven't put my knobbly tyres back yet on the gravel bikes. So I'm just going to stop at this boulder. Check that out, wow. Well, anyway, let's talk to you about Christmas. Let's take these glasses off now, I've stopped pedalling. So yes, here I am, all good and well. Wow, look at that, could be my thumbnail today. Anyway, I don't want to bore you with the sunset too much. Once you see one sunset, you see them all. So what did I get up to over Christmas? If you follow me on Strava, which is a link down below, you'll know that have been riding all the way through Christmas. You know that much. So I did finish the festive 500. Just finished it. Because about a week before, I was out riding in the Lincolnshire Wolds and did something stupid and kind of fell off. And I say fell off to the side and kind of sprained my ankle. So it was like 21st of December or something like that. I had to take a few days off the bike and then introduce myself to the ride a little bit. Still not back to full strength, but I can walk and cycle as normal. Just got to be careful how I balance myself and things. But what I didn't finish was I was really close to getting 10,000 miles for the year, and I finished on like 9,950 or something like that. So it was about 50 miles short. But to be honest, I didn't really care. But one of those years where I've just been going out having quality miles rather than just ride and jump miles. So yes, I sprained my ankle, did the festive 500, got those 10,000, well, nearly got those 10,000 miles in, and just kept riding throughout really. So in terms of cameras and things, I'm not turned into a certified doctor or anything. It's a new mount I've got. I'll pop a picture of the screen on the screen what I've got holding in my right hand now. But yeah, so I thought I'd hold up my game a bit. You might well be able to see the microphone there actually. I can't see it myself. It is there, I'm sure it is. Basically, I'll be able to go out, one mic for myself, and when I'm riding with somebody else, stick a mic on them. Great audio. So yeah, exciting stuff, exciting stuff. So yeah, today really was just a bit of a catch up in this video, a bit of a, not a rant, but just a bit of talky rather than going on a big adventure. That will be for tomorrow. I need to come up with a route tonight. Even though on the mountain bike, I think it would be mostly roads or minor roads and things like that, nothing too taxing because it is mighty icy. It certainly will be at 10 o'clock in the morning when I finally get out and go. Right, anyway, shall we head down that way a little bit? Oh. What I really could have done with on this ride was wearing a full sleeve base layer rather than just putting a jersey on and that's it. I don't know if you find any of this interesting. Maybe on the turbo train or watch this. Just watching me ride along, having a chat outdoors. You might be okay. But yeah, it's not really adventure today. It's just me out riding the bike after work. I nearly had to force myself out the door. It's just that getting out the door, isn't it? Once you're out the door, you're like, oh, glad I came out. But it's just getting out the door in the first place. I'm seeing lots of white fields around here. And it's not necessarily snow, it's frozen water. Right here on the coast, it's not seeing any snow. It's just because it's rained so much. I was saying earlier about going out tomorrow and staying mostly on the road and small tracks and everything. But when you get to know an area really well, I'm sure this place will be okay. Why not? Oh, there's another good reason why I haven't been on a gravel bike, apart from those tyres. It's always difficult to seat tubeless tyres. So what I'm going to order, and I must remember after this ride to go and order it. I'm not sure what the cord. It's not a compressor, but you attach a track pump to it, and it's like a canister. You pump that up instead, preload it, and you put that on to your valve, and immediately pushes a lot high pressure straight into the valve. And I've seen it work, so I'm going to get one of those. If that fails, you can just go to a bike shop and they'll usually do it for free. The problem with doing that is you quite often look at stuff and go, ooh, what can I buy? I'm more or less at the furthest point of the ride now. Just about to head right here. Watching out of the ice and things. Oh, this ice, so much ice. I'm not coming down here, I think. Need to trust the tyres on this. The Coros tyres, these are 2.35 mountain bike tyres. From ground control, which is, I don't know why I braked just there anyway, which is the tyres the bike came with. I've still got plenty of life for them. I don't know when you buy a bike and they stick some sort of generic tyres on, a lot of people, they take them off. But these are perfectly good tyres, so make use of them. What was I saying about going on these tracks? To be honest, I knew this would be difficult, but I still came this way. So tomorrow's ride, I have to make a bit more wiser decisions, I think. This wasn't a good idea. Don't mind walking. Just came out for a bit of exercise really. Definitely came out some fresh air, and it is certainly fresh. Okay, nearly at the main road. Are we going to end the video here as well? It's so cold. I'll be a bit more prepared tomorrow. I'll have more time for starters. Right. I shall see you in the next one soon. It'll be better than this, promise. It'll be just as icy though. I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye.